So the launch that we've got coming is with Virgin Orbit. It's the first launch from UK soil, taking off from Cornwall. And on board is our platform, the Forgestar Zero. That platform is there to demonstrate key elements of our re-entry technology and test them up until the point of the platform demise. Nobody's returned something from space to Europe before. We're here to change that. So in-space manufacturing, which is what we do, isn't actually anything new. We've been doing it in space since the 1970s. But we haven't really had the scale of infrastructure possible to really commercialize the opportunity. And that's where SpaceForge comes in with our free-flying space factory, the Forgestar, in order to make materials in space that can't be made on Earth. And when you bring those materials back to our planet, we can lower energy consumption by more than 60%. That has the knock-on benefit, meaning that for every kilogram of CO2 we make as SpaceForge, we can prevent more than 15 tons from entering our atmosphere. By the end of this decade, we're looking to be flying somewhere between 50 and 100 missions a year to make the quantity of material that we need in space. And all of that material is dedicated to improving life here on Earth by the reduction of energy consumption and the knock-on benefit of massively reducing CO2.
So we're sat at Spaceport Cornwall, which is really just part of Cornwall Airport Newquay. And this whole project is about completely integrating space launch into an active airport. The whole plan with launch in the UK is that we create a launch capability for UK industry. So for us, it's about creating a project and a piece of infrastructure that will be revenue generating for Cornwall Council, the local area, as well as the UK.
There are companies and universities in Wales which have built things that have gone to space. But this is the first whole satellite that's truly been built in Wales. And that's incredibly significant. You know, this isn't just about launching a satellite because we can and demonstrating national capability. This is about launching a satellite which fundamentally changes the ways that we do things in space and on Earth. And for Wales to be at the spearhead of that, I think is incredible.